What's up, gang? So I've been wanting to just address why I haven't been posting or anything. I'm sitting here chilling in the house, as you can see. Um, I know I should have been letting y'all know like what's been going on because I haven't posted in almost a month. I think next week could be a month, and I've been really consistent since the first of the year for every 2 weeks and everything. But just life happens and stuff, and I had to take a little break. But it's not that I haven't been recording. It's just that I promised y'all that the next video would be the ride along in my new Mustang, the 2014 GT, and I haven't been able to record it. I've been so busy. As you can see from the last video, we got that car for free. I think it's like a '93 coupe. We got that car for free, so we had to do some work in order to get that car. I've been working on that. My dad's been helping me work on that. He actually did the motor part of the Mustang, like taking it out and everything, and we've been just straight grinding on it. I got the strut towers and stuff did on it. You'll have a video on that. I recorded all that with us taking the motor out and stuff. Like my dad, he got it all the way down to where it won't be too much for me to record, and whenever he would get home and stuff, he would work on it sometimes after work, and that would, I couldn't really record that because I wouldn't be there. But he got it to where it was pretty easy with us to record and everything, like I was saying, and we got us taking it out and putting it into the other car. So I got that for y'all. Also, as you know, the green car, my 2003 GT, hasn't been on the channel in forever. That's because it was down. We've been having brake issues and fighting those gremlins on the brakes and just trying to get everything settled on it and replacing one part after another when we can. And that lasted over a span of like a couple of weeks, just trying to fight it and figure some stuff out on it. So that's why I haven't posted it yet. I just haven't been able to get to this car to actually record. It's not even clean right now. I'm about to go record a video for y'all right now. It's not even clean, but I'm gonna get y'all that content. I know y'all don't want to see me watch it. Every video I record on the cars and stuff, I try to wash them and stuff first so they look presentable, but I really don't got time, and it just rained today. So I'm gonna get y'all that content today, and it should be coming out next Sunday like I've been promising. Next Sunday should be the day that this ride along comes out and everything. And I also got to shoot another video for y'all on the green car, so there's some more content coming. Also, not with just only the cars, just family stuff. I'm a family man first before I'm a YouTuber. I really want this junk to work, and I love each and every one of y'all that are subscribed, because even though we're small right now, you have to start somewhere, and that's where I'm at right now. I appreciate the little steps, and one by one, people coming in and showing support, because without y'all, we wouldn't even be at the number that we're at now. I think we're at 274, and for me, most people don't think that that's a lot, but for me, man, that's like crazy, because I started from zero, and with me having 274 people that just want to watch this channel, just watch what I'm doing and support the cars, and just everything that I'm doing, it makes me real happy, because I didn't expect to even get to this number. You know what I'm saying? And even the views that we got on the videos, man, it's crazy. Some videos are like above 6-7K, and it's like we just getting started. You know what I mean? So I appreciate each and every one of y'all for the support. It means a lot, and it goes a long ways, and it's going to continue to build this and build this and build this. And one day we're going to get to the point where like we're going to be like all these other YouTubers giving away cars and stuff, and we're going to let y'all pick how we want to build these cars, how you want us to build these cars, and like what you want us to do to them, how you want us to paint them, because me and my dad, we could legit build a whole car. I believe it. We haven't did it yet, but if it's something like keeping like my Mustang out there, the GT, the 2003, if it's something like, oh, we could put cams and a supercharger on it and go get it tuned and do a little cosmetic upgrades. He could do all the motor work. I could do the paint and body and stuff, and it's a complete car, and we're not taking it to other shops to get worked on just for the tune. We're not, going outsourcing to get it painted and stuff. Y'all can see the whole process here. So that's what I'm real excited about, and that's the goal for the channel. I want to be able to get there one day to where we could give away stuff like that. You know what I mean? So y'all can see the whole process. Most YouTubers and stuff, it's hit or miss. Like, they might want to do one thing or they might do the other thing, and that's it. But I feel so confident that me and my dad, once we get this building and stuff, and everything starts to pan out like it's supposed to, I feel so confident that we're gonna build a car like that. The coupe that I got, that car is gonna be like a ground up build, because I want to go crazy with it. Like, y'all are gonna see the whole process on that too. And that's another thing I've been talking to my wife about. I'm not gonna buy any more cars, because I have so many now. I have like 8, I think. I have 8 or 7. I have 7. I'm not gonna buy any more cars until I finish what I have, unless I trade a car or something. That's the only way. Right now, my wife, she's in nursing school, and that's another thing that's been challenging for us, trying to work everything in, because I have a kid also, and I've been having to watch her. So like I was saying, I'm a family man first before I'm a YouTuber, but I do want to get the content out for y'all, and I have been recording, and man, I got so much content right now recorded for y'all, because also I got a 2009 SRT4 caliber also, and we just got it running, and it's been sitting up for like, I'd say 4 years. So we've been working, we've been grinding. It's just, I promised y'all I wanted to get this video out first, and that's what I'm gonna do, because I'm a man of my word. And another thing is, with my kid, her birthday was August 13th, so we had her a little party on a Sunday that week. But then me and my wife, we threw her a little party, because she only turns one once. So we wanted to have that and have pictures of her and stuff for when she grows up, you know what I mean. So we wanted to do that for her, and we did it. So the next weekend we did that after we had her little party that Sunday. So then after that, we've been doing the Mustangs and the strut towers and stuff. I had finished it before that, and then it's just been like something every weekend. Like this weekend, or a couple of days ago, yesterday, I got married, and it's just been like something every single week that's been happening. That's kind of like made me not be able to record with the car and stuff. So today's the day. Sunday, y'all will get this. Y'all will get this content, I promise. So I appreciate y'all being patient with me, and just sticking around, staying. And I appreciate all the support. Like I was saying, it goes a long ways, because without y'all, the channel's not gonna grow. Without y'all support, the channel's not gonna go anywhere. It's just gonna stay the same. So I appreciate y'all, and I thank God for just allowing me to be able to do this and have the vehicles and to have everything that I have, because if it wasn't for that, I wouldn't have no content. If he wouldn't bless me with the abilities that I have to know how to paint, or bless my dad with the abilities he has to know how to work on cars, we would be taking them, and content would really be slower than, because I'd have to spend more money to get people to do it. So I just want to show y'all, on this channel, that some things you just can't be scared of. You just got to try it yourself, because every one of us is the same. We're all made the same. That person's no different than me or you. And if you really believe in yourself and that you can do it, man. Like, it's a whole lot easier than you think. And just like with anything else, it takes time and practice. You're not gonna ace it the first time. There's plenty of videos out here that can teach you the same thing that you can learn in school, and the same thing that you can learn up underneath somebody, if you was to just take the leap and try to do it yourself. Things could go a lot faster on these car builds and stuff for you and other people and stuff. So I appreciate, like I said, I appreciate all y'all. I appreciate all y'all for sticking around and everything. And from here, we're gonna continue to grow, and We got a lot of content on the way, I promise you. So I'll check y'all out on this next one. I promise you, like I said, the next video is on that car out there, and it's gonna be a banger. So stay tuned.